Hi, I'm Greg Brown.
I'm David Ivings, Dynamic Discussions.
This is another installment in a weekly video series we're bringing you about safety products and how to use them. This week's question is about body belts. What happened to body belts or waist belts, and why have they been replaced with full body harnesses?
So like anything, technology improves over time. So after looking at the body belts, science has proven that they're actually more dangerous used for fall arrest than using a full body harness. So if somebody were to take a fall, it could cause that body belt to slide up their body, possibly crush their lungs or hurt themselves.
Yeah, and so there are several reasons as to why we use full body harnesses now. And body belts are acceptable in certain situations, generally just restraint and just for positioning. So you will see some lineman type system setups used, but really it's dispersing the forces among your entire body and putting the forces on parts of your body that are a little bit more able to absorb those forces.
One thing to keep in mind, when using a full body harness, you can actually use a body belt in conjunction with that. So a lot of your harnesses may come with a waist belt on there that has the positioning side D-rings for you, so you could use while working in a positioning scenario.